It's hot sauce time again, and today we're making a highly requested summer favourite, watermelon hot sauce. This is a melon of the water variety, delicious and refreshing. Cut into wedges, remove the skin and cut that beautiful pink flesh into big old chunks. Add the melon to a pan along with some finely sliced chilies. I use Fresno, some chopped garlic and some freshly grated lime zest. Add a good pinch of sea salt, a sprinkle of sugar, a little bit of red wine vinegar and some water. Mix it all together, bring the whole up to the boil and cover with a lid. Simmer for 15 minutes or until the chilies and melons are soft. Once cooked, place into a blender and blitz everything together until silky smooth. My blender's an absolute beast for this, no passing needed. Link to it on my page if you're interested. Once done, add that lime juice you forgot to add before blitzing it. Taste it, be happy, and bottle up that summer fresh sauce. I did the usual heat and butter combo, drown some chicken wings, and just live my best life. Sue me. It's no surprise this one's a banger, so give it a try. Make that sauce, coat those wings, and don't forget to like and follow.